Is this a gaming console?
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back from the video. Today we're going to be talking about the Apple TV and is it a gaming console? Kind of a sleeper one. But first, we have a nice little sponsor from Hisense.
This is the Hisense 55-inch 4K TV. No BS. ULED, Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced. What does all that even mean? 120 hertz? I'ma hurt you. You just want a beautiful TV in your home, right? But I will say, if you're a gamer, this TV will work. Got a PS5, it'll play at the highest setting. Xbox Series X, highest setting. See, Hisense is cutting all the BS out, so you just know, hey, does this work? Is it a great TV? Is it affordable? Can I get it? Yes. Hey, there you go. And look, it also has a really great remote. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, Tubi, and Peacock already pre-configured. I turned off the ring light so you can see what a beautiful TV. I rhymed. So once again, this is the Hisense U8 4K 55-inch TV, and it's no BS. Like me.
I appreciate the folks at Hisense giving me this lovely TV because I was like, hey, well, let me buy the new Apple TV, unbox it, because, you know, that's what I do. But I really want to talk about, is this a sleeper console? Because, listen, the mobile gaming market, and I will consider this mobile for now, and I'll explain why, is the biggest market in the world. Whether we like it or not, whether we play mobile gaming games, or not, it is the biggest market out there. Even if you're a PC gamer, you may not like mobile games. I hear you. I have all the latest consoles too. I have a PC as well. I get you. But it's a seductive market. And if you can say, and that's what Apple's proposition, hey, play this game and with a subscription on your phone or on your tablet or on your MacBook, we don't care. Hey, you want to get home and get your nice 55-inch set from Hisense? Fine. Put down the game on your phone, it'll sync automatically here and you can pick up where you left off. That's their proposition for gaming. And you know, other people are doing, you have Stadia, you have Xbox cloud gaming. There's a new one from PC, I forgot, Steam. It's trying to come out with a mobile gaming one. May not be sync as well, but maybe it might. You might have like a Switch type of thing that you play here, and then you go on your PC and you finish the game there. You have the Switch as well, which is really a mobile gaming console. So really, mobile gaming isn't going anywhere. So when I look at this little box, I think TV box, right? Okay, how is this a gaming? It's so small. How is it a gaming console? Well, it actually packs a punch. It has a really good processor in there. You know, Apple knows how to fine-tune their things to make things work, and like the games look incredible. They have a subscription service called Apple Arcade. I think as a recording of this video, 180 games. This is recorded before WWDC, so it's very possible that they release more games after that. But this little box packs a punch. And by the way, if you wanted to know, this is the new remote. I have 4 Apple TVs around the house. Instead of buying the new Apple TV for each one of them, I just bought the remote, which is $59.99, which is a much better value. A lot of people complain about the buttons here. They wish this button was here, the play button was down there. I hear you, but they did it. My only complaint, it just sounds a little loud when you click. Like the other one was just much quieter. Like I don't know, I'm getting used to it, but like you can just hear all of that. It's like, stop it! Also, if you're new to Apple TVs and you don't have another box that it's replacing, it does not come with an HDMI cable. So make sure you supply your own high-speed HDMI cable. Why do they do that? And of course, if you want to charge the remote, it has lightning to regular USB. So hook it into your, well, if you have a new MacBook, what do you hook this? Okay, so right now, all of my apps are downloaded, including the games that I have downloaded so far. So I'm gonna go ahead in settings. I'm gonna set up a controller. I'm actually gonna try to set up the PS5. This is my, this is a custom PS5 controller that I had made some time ago. I did an unboxing on it on another network. The controller is connected and now, okay. All right, we're gonna take a look at the Apple TV. I'm still here. Hi, I'm just really black. And so I just want you to get the best picture that you can using this camera. I apologize for that. But here are some of the games. I have never heard of these, but here's an RPG that looks decent. Okay, you see? So like, I don't know if this is using Apple Metal, like they're new, but like, this looks good, right? Look, they got NBA 2K Arcade Edition. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Now, I'm actually curious what this looks like. SpongeBob Patty Pursuit, Sonic Racing, which I think I have downloaded. Listen, I know it's a mobile game. I'm not stupid. You can play this on your phone, but dang, if it don't look, it looks good. Thank you. Also, one of the coolest things about Apple Arcade is that it doesn't have any microtransactions or anything like that. It's a subscription-based, pay $5 a month. So I like that. Let's keep looking at some of the other games. Oregon Trail, Star Trek Legends. I'm just trying to see what else. They got, okay, arcade games, categories, action, adventure, casual, family, puzzle, racing, role-playing. Let's see, I'm gonna go on role-playing, just see what are the different ones. I don't know if you've seen or heard of any of these. Ocean Horn, I heard was a really good one. I actually played a little bit of that. Really good. But yeah, they have some games that have there's some long games in here, and they have some okay, let's say more strategy games. I'm gonna say 180 games. Like, there might not be everything that you would like, but I suspect Apple is up to something here. This may not be the Apple TV that will have the processing speed to kill or match an Xbox Series X or even an S. But I think it's pretty close. I mean, look at the casual here. I thought I saw a Pac-Man game in here. So, oh yeah, Pac-Man Party Royale, which is exclusive, I believe. At least it was to this, and I think I have that downloaded. Here, I want to try that NBA game. You know what? It looks really good. I ain't getting paid for this part. I'm just saying. Wow. I mean, yeah, it is no Xbox Series X version, but all right, let's see how this works here. All right, controls feel good. I'm just saying. It looks like you can play this on your phone. And this is the same version. It's just optimized for the TV. Okay, as you see, I don't play any defense. I just want to see if I can get one more. Come on, go. Let's get this. Uh-oh. Okay, watch this. Oh, snap. Okay, you know what? Guys, listen. I didn't know. I had never downloaded that game before. Real talk, I've never played it on my phone. I'm sure because the smaller screen's gonna look really, really good on phone, but this is a 55-inch 4K TV, and it looked really good. Again, no, it's no PS5 version. No, it's no Xbox Series X version. But again, you pay $5 a month. You tell some parent for $5 a month, your kid can get all these games that are curated for those sports, action, adventure. And I'm just saying, does this become a console in an average person's house? Maybe not your house, but an average person's house. I have to say yes. I believe this Apple TV was a half step. They added some things. They added the HDMI 2.1, but you can't get 120 hertz just yet, but it's coming. The chip seems fast enough to handle really good games. But if they come out with a new one, I don't know if it's the M1 chip, M2, whatever, optimized TV, can that one be the one? I think this one could play a lot of great games for sure. But can that next one be the one? Or is this one the one? Can you all tell me in the comments? Do you use Apple Arcade? Even if you don't, if you know somebody who does, like, I'm just curious. Do you see this being an average person's console? If you can already pay $179 or however much this was for a TV box anyway, if you're already doing it, and just for another $5 more a month, or you could download games. You don't have to use Apple Arcade. For pennies, seems like a day, you can have almost or really close to console quality game. I would say better than Switch right now, it looks like. Anyway, you all tell me in the comments below. I'm curious. I'm fascinated. That NBA game fascinated me because I wasn't ready for that. So let me know in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Again, shout out to Hisense. I love my new TV. I'm probably going to mount it, but I do like their stands. The stand is really good. I'm probably going to mount it in my bedroom and use it there. We'll see. But if I do, I'll post a picture on my Instagram at Lamarr Wilson. So thanks so much for watching, and answer my question, and I'll talk to you in the next video.